Hi honey.
Hi sweetie.
So we are back again at this hotel, this restaurant.
Because it's next to the airport.
Yeah.
And we decided that we can also buy some souvenirs here.
Yeah.
And have a good meal, which is another case why we are here.
Yeah.
I have the ayam curry, Labuan Bajo style.
Yeah. What is ayam? Chicken curry, huh?
Exactly. Maybe it's written K-A-R-I, but I guess it's the curry that you know from. I guess because actually the sauce tastes like a curry and it's really tasty.
That's not spicy.
Not at all, no.
No. Do you like it?
But it has this curry taste that makes it. It's really tasty.
Okay. How many points?
9.
9?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only
Good.
9 points.
How much
You?
do you have to pay for that? Is it 50, around 50, 60, huh?
55 something, I think. 55,000 rupiah. Sounds like super expensive.
Yeah. So it's about 3,
But
4
that's
€4.
Let's say 4 euros.
For 3 pieces of chicken.
Yeah.
This is 1, 2, 3.
Calculate. That's 4 euros. How about you?
Yeah. I have ikan bakar, grilled fish, special from Labuan Bajo, with of course tastings, sambal terasi, and nasi, and lalapan, very big vegetables. So I'm gonna try this. Kayaknya enakan pakai tangan. I'm gonna try this the hand button with my finger. Oh my god, they already cut it like this. So this is the small one for 50,000 rupiah. It's already big one. Okay, right now I'm gonna try without my finger.
Pedas?
Enggak,
No.
enggak sih. Lembut. Is it super soft? And there's not a bone. Small bones? No, they don't. It doesn't have small bones, so it's really tasty. I don't know what kind of sauce that they put here. So you have to try it in exotic combo. Okay, so yeah, that's our Flores or Labuan Bajo special food.